Hello, welcome to this Flussos tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to see your analytics. I'm already logged in, and in your menu on the left, just click Analytics. Once on the screen, you'll have Reports in this section here. Click on your Reports drop-down, and you'll be able to see dashboard and specific charts for your flows. Click on the Flow dashboard. When this runs, it's going to show the generic formulas for each chart. Click Run Dashboard to get live report. And your key metrics will pop up. These dashboards do not come automatic. Once you sign up, we will set them up for you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at support@flussos.com or hello@flussos.com. We can schedule a live demo for you to answer your questions further. Thank you very much.